Updating your email address on Twitter is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date with your new email. Step 1. Log into your Twitter account. Open the Twitter app or website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or the More option in the sidebar. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Navigate to your account information. In the Settings menu, click on your account. This section contains various options related to your account details. Step 4. Update your email address. Look for the email field. Click on it to enter your new email address. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes and verify it. After entering your new email, click Save to apply the changes. Twitter will send a verification email to your new address. Open that email and follow the instructions to verify your new email. By following these steps, you can easily update your email address on Twitter. Keeping your contact information current is important for account security and recovery.